All right, g'day everyone. Welcome to another lesson for Blockly in OUCC. The Oxford University Computing Challenge has lots of really great questions that exercise your coding knowledge. And what it does is it improves your understanding of code and also speeds up your coding when you do your other projects as well. So that's why I really like the OUCC. Now, let's have a look at our first question here called pie chart. Now, we've done a lot of turtle tasks in the past. Okay, we've done lots of turtle tasks, but pie chart is different. Yeah, it is different because of the unique shape you have to draw. Okay, so you're going to write a program to draw the pattern shown faintly below. Use the colors shown on the right. So there's this chart here that says which colors you have to use. And then you have to draw these sectors on a circle. Now, in past questions, it used to be very easy to understand what kind of shapes go where, right? You know if there's going to be a square or a triangle or a circle or a big rectangle. But here, it doesn't give you any hints other than the degrees here. Okay, the sections of the chart are 120, 150, and 90 degrees. Okay, so how do we do it? Well, if I try to draw a circle, it just draws a circle, right? If I say to go to turtle and then draw a, where is it? Oh, there isn't even a draw circle here. So it even removes the draw shape function, okay? But what it does leave you with is this pen up and pen down, okay? Pen up and pen down. There's no shapes anywhere else, okay? So a lot of people see this question and freeze and then skip it, or they're not sure what to do. What you actually have to do is you have to draw lines, okay? You have to draw a line, this brown line first, and then you have to move 1 degree and then draw another line, and then you move another degree and draw another line. And you keep on going until you reach 120 degrees, okay? This is one of those questions where in the beginning it's like, huh? But then as soon as you hear the answer, it's like, oh, that's how you do it. And then it becomes really clear. So you just make the turtle go move forward, move back in the right color, move to the next degree, and then do the same thing. And then you keep on going all the way around in a circle. And that's why if you look closely at this pie chart, you'll see that the divisions of the lines aren't completely in the center. All right, that's also another hint for you, okay? There's a bit of overlap in these lines, which should give you a hint as to this unique sort of way of solving. Okay, so the only thing we have to do now is to set our color. Set our color to this red color, brown color. And then we have to go forward and back. Move forward and move back. Now, how far do we move? Well, that's a bit too short, so let's see if we can increase that. $100 is perfect. Actually, it doesn't say any other hints, so that's kind of crazy. It could have at least said that the radius is 100, right? I mean, that wouldn't have made it any less confusing. But after that, all we have to do is turn 1 degree. Okay, move forward, back, turn 1 degree, and then we repeat that 120 times. Okay. So when you run it, it's going to be a bit slow. So you make sure you speed it right up. Moving the module here to all the way to the bunny. All right, and then we do the same thing with the other two colors. So the other color is this yellow color right in the middle. Is that the right one? Yep. Do the same thing for 150 degrees. And then finally, whoops, set it to this light blue color. And do the last one for 90 degrees. Okay, so that's the code. Oops, I can't see the last bit. Here we go. Should be able to see it now. All right, so now we press run again, and then you'll see that it does the pie chart perfectly now. Don't forget, you need to accelerate it all the way to the bunny, otherwise it will take you ages to wait for it to finish. And then it will give you the correct answer. Okay, just got to think outside the box for this one. Once you know the answer, it's like, oh, I'll never get fooled by this again. But every year, OUCC will come up with fresh challenges, always, to trip you up and to challenge the way you're thinking. All right, let's do the next one, hidden door. Now, somewhere in the garden is a hidden door, so the turtle isn't really trapped. You gotta write a program to help the turtle find the hidden door, then write a program to get to the white square. The cool thing about this is once you find where the exit is, then you can just hard code it to go out of that exit. But before we do that, we need to make it so that we bump into every corner or every side until we find it. Okay, so we turn left. I'm going to move to this top left corner and then start bumping and then keep bumping on every side. Okay, and then I'm going to repeat 1, 2, 3 times of moving forward twice, turn right, and then move forward, turn left. So what is this doing? It's going bump, trying to get through. If it goes through, then it will move forward twice and get out, all right? And then if it doesn't, it goes to the right, turns to the left again, and then repeats the whole thing. Does that 3 times, and then it's going to turn to the right, because then we have to do the same thing over here. And then we do that 4 times because there's 4 sides of this box. Okay. All right. So now it's going to try to bump its way through. Oh, it was the last one. Excellent. So after it's gone all the way out, it ends up in this square. So now I just have to navigate out of there. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can like remove all your code and then just go straight out this corner. And then turn left. Okay. All right. Oops. Went too far. Let's try that. Now I press fast. Hey, done. All right. So those are 2 really curly questions today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again next week. Bye-bye.